welcome back to my channel. So I know it's been a really long time since I filmed. Today I basically just wanted to kind of hang out with you guys and try on makeup because I haven't played with the Jaclyn Hill Vault Collection yet. So today I used Bling Boss, which is probably one of my favorites. This is the only one I've touched, but like I just love the colors. Like I love looking at it. It's very pretty. And the eyes I feel very almost like Halloweenish, very like, I don't know, it feels kind of witchy. I like it. But yeah, please make sure to subscribe before you go and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. But let's get started. I've been dying to play with this one the most probably. And that one, of course, it's Bling Boss. So let's do something purpley. I want to go in with Hush Hush first. I'm gonna be honest, I have not really been super obsessed with Morphe like in the past. Like their eyeshadows, they're a little weird to me, but let's see. I'm gonna take Sparks on like a smaller, like tapered crease kind of brush. This is M514. From Morphe. On there, kind of tap off the excess. I'm going to put this in the crease, just a little more focused. And then I'm going to go back in with that first brush, a little bit of Hush Hush on there, not a lot, and just kind of blend those edges even more. Now I'm going to go in to Rockstar on the same brush. Load it up and then kind of do the similar thing. Just kind of putting it in my crease, blending it up, and then building out that color on the lid. And with my finger, I'm just going to take that same Rockstar shade and press that onto my lid. Just blend everything together. This looks like a very like wine color. It's very pretty though. So this is basically a cranberry smoky eye, I feel like. So I'm gonna take, I think I'm gonna try to take Gem, and I'm just gonna put that like all over the lid. I'm just gonna use my finger. Oh my god. Holy shit. Then I'm gonna take that M514 brush. I'm gonna use that, a little bit more of that metallic purple, just to try and blend. That is so pretty. I'm gonna take it with a little bit more on my finger. Also, I have quite a bit of fallout, and I'm really praying I can get rid of that. Okay, I don't know when it stopped recording, but I'm just doing the same thing to the other eye. I'm just going back with that first brush just to kind of blend the edges. This is a very intense purple. Like, what was I thinking? All right, now I'm just going to tight line my upper lash line with the Marc Jacobs highliner in Blackcore. All right, and then I'm also just gonna do a thin line on my upper lash line. I guess the cool thing about this dark purple eyeshadow is like I could do a really shitty job on my eyeliner and you really wouldn't be able to tell. I'm gonna use a little bit of the Superfan mascara. And then I'm just gonna pop on some Kiss lashes. I think they're just called Shy. They're kind of like those kinds of lashes where like the grunge, like the dirtier they get, like the better they look almost. So also like these are really kind of natural lashes compared to a lot of lashes out there, because I do wear glasses, so these are really comfortable and they stay on. They don't like get caught on my frames or anything like that, so they're really comfortable under a pair of frames. I'm gonna take the Morphe M213. I'm gonna go back into Hush Hush. And then I'm gonna go into Sparks. Just kind of mimicking what we did on the top a little bit. And then back into Rockstar. So for my inner corner highlight, I'm actually going to take my Smolder Cosmetics. This is one of their loose glam dusts. This is in Moonstone. I love using this as like a highlighter on my face as well. With these, it's very like, ooh, do you see that? It's got that blue kind of shift to it. So I'm gonna pop that with my finger right on the inner corner. Like, oh my God. And then I'm also gonna add some mascara to my lower lash line. You know, this is like my first video back. I really hope you guys didn't expect too much from me because I feel like this is kind of turning into a shit show. One of my favorite things is just like searching for brushes, you know? Just like, you're in here, I know you are, but like, why can't I find you? I'm gonna do a little contouring. I have the, what is this? The Cali Contour Kit, yeah, from Smashbox. This contour shade is like perfect for my pale ass, so. And then now I'm going to bronze. I've been trying this new brush. It's new to me, it's not like new from them, but this is a Morphe M462. I want to try it with my normal bronzer. I tried it the other day with a different bronzer and I didn't love it, but this is like holy grail. This is the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Bronzer. This is the Nude Bronze Light. It's like my favorite. But generally I like how soft, this is the bronzer brush that I was using before. So they're pretty similar. This one's just like a flat top. This one's more rounded. So I feel like you get more of that diffused soft bronze, which like both will do the same thing, but I don't know. I really like the shape of this one. So to clean up that bronzer a little bit, I'm gonna take a little bit of my Cover FX Perfect Setting Powder and just kind of bake for a minute. Super cute. Okay, now I'm gonna add some blush. I'm just gonna take a soft pink. This is MAC Rosy Outlook. And then for highlighter, I'm gonna go back in with that Smolder Cosmetics, like the pigment that we used right here on the inner corner. And I'm taking, I don't know, whatever this is. It's like all smudged off. We're gonna highlight with this. Oh my God. So beautiful. And then I'm also gonna dust away this. Okay, and then for lips, I'm gonna take the Morphe, their lip liner in Crush. I'm gonna also take a little bit of the Huda Beauty, this is their strobe, lip strobe in Angelic. I don't know how I feel about the lips. Okay, lastly, for real, last thing. I actually just got this yesterday and I'm super excited to try it. This is the Catrice Illuminating Prime and Fine. So we're gonna set my face. Oh, it smells really good. Gave a really pretty, just like glow to the skin. It feels nice. All right, so that is the finished look. Hopefully this turned out okay. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this. Please, please, please give it a thumbs up if you did. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, but I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.